Hi, I'm Justin Pollart.
I'm Martinez.
And I'm Seth Marick.
We're from Caliche High School, and today we're working on the Banking and Financial Systems case study.
Dear Board of Directors for Brenton Credit Union, we're presenting financial advisory by Martinez, Seth Marick, and Justin Pollart.
We want to first identify some problems. One major problem that you have told us is that you have insufficient funds. For example, there are early withdrawals from CDs and return checks. While yes, you're making profit from those fees, do they actually help? Well, we think no, because they are not providing an investment opportunity. We also believe that there is money management problems within the customers. For example, there's no security within the accounts of them having low funds and them overdrafting. We believe they are not investing and they are not being very money smart.
Some solutions plans we have came up with that you could possibly implement to combat these insufficient funds would be a 3rd month minimum. This would mean that after having the accounts for 3 months, the amount of money needed to keep in the account would be raised so that these customers keep more money in their accounts. We could also raise fees for new or unconvincing existing accounts. This would mean that a new account or an account that has a history of providing insufficient funds would have higher fees for things like overdrafting their accounts. To combat money management, we could help our customers implement a security fund of around $500 to always keep $500 in their accounts. This board needs to emphasize to the customers that building their money with more money is a good way to create wealth. This would mean keeping more money in their accounts, and you would have to emphasize that their money will create profit based off of itself with things like the interest rates that the bank offers. You could also give books by good leaders to customers. This would mean giving them things like books by Dave Ramsey to help with financial advisory, books by Jim Cramer, which would help with investing in things like stocks, and also books by Warren Buffett, who is a notable billionaire that could help them figure out how to gain wealth.
In order to better money management plans and manage personal accounts, we must first further educate our customers. We can do this by explaining the difference of all the different types of institutions, understanding the role of the FDIC and the Federal Reserve System. The FDIC is an independent agency created by Congress to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system. The Federal Reserve System is the central bank of the U.S., which promotes stability, banking safety, and consumer protection. It also regulates the smaller banking institutions. Commercial banks and Wall Street banks need to be separately identified to help our customers better manage their money. Commercial banks are for personal use. They're a financial institution that accept deposits from the public and give out loans. Wall Street banks are financial markets and companies that trade publicly on exchanges throughout the U.S. and help their clients raise capital to finance various activities and expand their business. We also need our customers to understand that there are resources online and in our banks to offer jobs and help. And we need them to know that there are other resources that include other websites that offer jobs and help at other banks.
Thanks.